This is a short video for a Japanese fliplock, brand new or at least mint in box. I can't really tell whether it's been used. The Seiko DZ620. It's not the most beautiful fliplock I've ever seen, but it's really cool. It's really funky. It's like late 70s, early 80s. It really breathes that. It's got the original sticker on it, the original price, 3,000 yen, and in my book that was quite a sum of money back in the days. And it's just a clock, it's not a flip clock. I mean, sorry, it's not an alarm clock, it's just a clock. So you can just set the time. Since it's Japanese, it does 100 volts. Use a basic adapter, and you can choose between 50-60 Hz, so you can use it in the States or in Europe, whatever you want. It's brand new. Here's the box, packaging, and warranty. Well, yeah, guessing the last gone. And instructions, Japanese and in English. So lovely, very usable, and that's that. It's really it's got that late 70s, early 80s vibe to it. It's really cool. It would really fit really well into a retro interior. Thank you for watching.